Current, reporting live. We've had unconfirmed reports Look, it's the Shark Slayer!
Yeah, and you tell Don Lame-o that I don't never want to see another shark on this reef again. Ever. Remember this name. Oscar the Shark Slayer!
Aha! You see? Huh?
Oh, look at Oscar. Oscar Boumaye. Oscar Boumaye. Woo! Hey, low.
The Shark Slayer not only conquered a few sharks today, but maybe a few hearts? Has the reef's most eligible bachelor been snapped up? I'm Katie Current, here live watching the Shark Slayer making out.